I shot I believe it was a 235i earlier. This car pulls hard, but it's not fast. The 2 Series both pulls hard and is fast. This car isn't fast because of the weight, I think. It definitely pulls hard, but because of the weight, it doesn't feel fast. I'm gonna warm up the car, go and grab some hot chocolate. I'll do a few pulls between Blue Bottle and when we get back to the dealership. Going to warm up the car, you know, take it real easy. I'll see you guys in a second. Car's warmed up now. Let's try and see if we can do a few pulls. As long as there's no cars up in front, we should be good. This is pedal to the floor. It's fast, but it's not, you know, it accelerates good, but it's not fast. That's what I'm, you know, trying to get across. Definitely got torque. I mean, you're talking about a BMW. BMW's got nothing but torque because of how heavy they are. Not all that fast. Once you do a few pulls in this car, you'll get used to the acceleration. I actually am very curious how much faster a M5 is.